Hi everyone, now Sunday, May 18, and again I go to Scorebirds hotel for Scorebirds competition. I will pay 500 peso.
How are you, Leon?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
So,
I will check now tables. Maybe available, not tables. Yeah, it's good. This is table already have. Today many available tables. So without reservation, so many tables. You can see this without reservation. It's all without reservation. So it's better now. And I sit today here in first table. It's better.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging for this competition. Meaning the more pieces they get, the more chances of their winning. So you can buy now your beads from all the girls that wearing red shirts that are going around the area. It only costs 100 pesos per strands of beads and 5,000 pesos for all the beads. From the big land of Mega Manila with a minus statistics of 36, 25, and 35. 5'5" in height, gentleman 19 years of age. We go number 583 from Global Atlantis. Give it up for Miss Eliza Escora. From the land of Calbayog with a minus statistics of 32, 23, and 35. 4'11" in height, gentleman 29 years of age. From Lollipop Bar, give it up for Miss Carmina De La Cruz. Contestant number 3, representing from the Nano Bataan with a battle statistics of 34, 25, and 34. 5'1" in height, gentleman 26 years of age. With a gold number D389, representing Dollhouse Bar, Contestant number 3, Shakira and Rio. Moving on to our contestant number 4, gentlemen. She comes to us from the white regions of Subic Bay with a battle statistics of 32. She comes to us from the land of Butuan City with a vital statistics of 34, 25, and 35. 5'1" in height, tall, and 23 years of age. Please welcome contestant number 5, Shermaine Yoss. Moving on to our next contestant, gentlemen. Also, she comes to us from Subic Bay with a vital statistics of 36, 27, and 37. 5'7" in height, gentlemen, 22 years of age with a gold number of D. And moving on to our next contestant, gentlemen, contestant number 7. Representing from the land of the gorgeous girls, I'm talking about City of Angeles. With a vital statistics of 34, 25, and 35. 5'2" in height, gentlemen, 25 years of age. With a gold number of 789 from Global Atlantis. Put your hands together for Miss Jam Kata. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8, representing from the big land of Mega Manila, with a vital statistics of 32, 25, and 34. 4'6" in height, gentlemen, 22 years of age. A number of D443, representing the house bar. Please welcome in Charlotte Kapanoy. Moving on to our next candidate, gentlemen, candidate number 9, with a vital statistics of 32, 24, and 32. 4'9" in height, gentlemen, 22 years of age. Put your hands together for Miss Juliet Ebrano. Contestant number 10, she comes to us from the land of Layton with a vital statistics of 34, 26, and 34. 5'1" in height, gentlemen, 26 years of age with a gold number D630 from the house bar. Please welcome Miss Casey Barreto. Our next contestant, gentlemen, contestant number 11, representing from the culinary capital of the Philippines, I'm talking about Angeles City, with a vital statistics of 34, 28, and 34. 5'2" in height, gentlemen, fresh, 20 years of age. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Anna Marie Villosa. Statistics of 32, 25, and 24. 5'1" in height, gentlemen, 25 years of age. With a gold number of T475, representing the house bar. Give it up for me, Shagina.
Hi.
Number 6, please raise your hands, gentlemen. 7, you're raising from 7. How you doing, guys? 7, 8 over in here, 8 over. Ladies available for ladies drinks, gentlemen, all you need to do is raise your hands. So much once again, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back for more later on tonight, so please stick around. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. To help a girl to proceed to our next round, all you need to do is buy them some bigs. This is going to be the final goal for this round, gentlemen. Is there any more bids, gentlemen? Once again, these are available for workers that moving around the area wearing red shirts. So for 100 pesos for expensive beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. That's right now. Well, let's get down for chances of their winning. Now we go to our contestant number 11, a freelance model from Angeles City. Let's have some readings in time. Yes, I have a basically only criteria for judging for this first competition. With the more bits they get, the more chances of their winning. So for your beats now, gentlemen, as I giving you the very last chance for beats in 5. Next round, gentlemen, so don't go away. More fighting is happening continue right down here, of course. We're here in the heart of Metro Angeles City. This is so versatile.
Estaba bailando sola, me pegué, que si se fueron las horas, un par de horas, ¡epa!
Right here, the numbers are running swimsuit competition here in Asia. Welcome to the Score Versatile. And it's about time, ladies and gentlemen, for us to pick up the top finalists to proceed to our next round. We'll be picking up 6 finalists. Of course, those girls that they had more bids. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, how about a huge round of applause for our 12 candidates for the Score Versatile swimsuit competition. with a total bids of 324 bids. And to get the lucky fourth spot, representing from the House Bar, congratulations. 718 bids. I mean, 1,536 bids. Representing. Of course, for this one, we're going to choose our top 3 finalists. And then, give it to finalist number 6, Miss Mia. Wow, 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 wow. Jeff Gatab. We have right now, gentlemen, as you can see, we have one golden weeks for candidate number 6, one to number 7, one to number 8. Let's release in 5. The beats for now, we do a plug, and let's go to be for candidate number 7. Wow! Let's go to be candidate number 6. Wow! Contestant number 7. What I mean, and friendly number 6. Or 7. Is it number beats? I don't want to do that. Red number beats. Yes, beats number beats. Wow! That's another 5 golden beats. I want to get the number 6. Stay with candidate number 7. It's gonna be no fun, gentlemen. Hold on to your seats. Storm brings it down. Whoa! Wow! Let's see what can they have. Alright! I like that answer. It's going to be an excellent battle. What's the body pepperoni? Can I have pending number 6 and number 7? Everyone, please. Let's see. Let's see. This is going to be an excellent battle. Let's see. I'm giving you. Let's repeat. Prepare next. In 5. I will never exciting. 4. It's going to be an excellent battle. I don't know. Another golden beats. Another golden beats. Wow!
Mia Hibaw. Yes, and our first place winner is kunti lang. With 10,810 beats, we have John Katap. Congratulations! Konti lang ang diferensya. Congratulations to all winners. Good night, everybody, and God bless. See you again next month. Once again, we are the Synergy. Good night, everybody.
Just a promise from you will do. From the very start, you be careful with my. I love you and you know I do. There'll be no one else for me. To see.
Thank you guys for watching this video and see you next video next month.